If you want to know how to publish in Lucidchart, this quick tutorial will walk you through the process step by step. Whether you want to share your diagram with a live link or embed it directly on a website or blog, Lucidchart gives you simple publishing options that make your work easy to share and keep up to date. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more helpful software tutorials just like this one. Let's start with the first method, which is publishing your diagram as an interactive URL. This is the best choice if you want to share your document with people who do not use Lucidchart, because they will always see the latest version of your diagram whenever they open the link. First, open your document in the Lucidchart editor. Make sure the file you want to share is fully loaded on your screen. Once you are inside the editor, look to the top left corner of the canvas and click the More menu. This is where Lucidchart keeps a lot of extra actions and sharing options. From the drop-down menu, select Publish. After that, you will see publishing options appear. If you want to share the entire diagram, choose Full Document URL. If you only want to publish a certain section of the page, select Area Selection instead. This is useful when you only want viewers to see one part of your diagram and not the entire workspace. After choosing your preferred option, click Generate Link. In many cases, Lucidchart will automatically copy the shareable link to your clipboard, which makes the process even faster. If it does not copy automatically, simply highlight the link and copy it manually. You can now paste that URL into an email, a chat message, a project management tool, or anywhere else you want to share it. Now, let's move on to the second method, which is embedding your Lucidchart diagram on a website or blog. This is the perfect option if you want your diagram to appear directly inside a web page, wiki, or internal help center. To do that, open your document in Lucidchart again, then click the More menu in the top left corner, just like before. This time, hover over Share and select Embed. Lucidchart will open a pop-up window with Embed settings. In the Embed window, choose the frame size you want. You may be able to select a preset size, or you can create a custom size depending on how you want the diagram to appear on your site. Once the size looks right, click Activate Embed Code. Lucidchart will generate an HTML snippet for you. Copy that HTML code and paste it into your website's code editor, blog platform, or CMS. Once published, the diagram will display directly on the page, and if you update the original Lucidchart document later, your embedded version can stay current too. So to recap, if you want a simple share link, use Publish and Generate Link. If you want to place the diagram directly on a web page, use Share then Embed and copy the HTML code. Both methods are fast, practical, and great for collaborating or presenting your work. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you do not miss the next Lucidchart walkthrough. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.